In the name of Allah, the most compassionate, the most merciful. People today are having lot of stress, mental stress. Mental stress has become their big problem. To the people of today, particularly living in our society, they are stress ridden. They have become stress ridden. Where this stress is coming from? Why is it attacking us? Why are we getting hurt by it? Why can't we get certain benefits of it? Whatever is abundantly available should be utilized for constructive, beneficial purposes. whatever we have, whatever we have can be used for development purposes. People are creating electricity even through garbage, not to talk of the wind energy, the solar energy. Even garbage is generating electricity. Certain countries are doing that. Look upon the biogas project. So, whatever we have in abundance can be utilized for beneficial purposes. Whatever we have, it is as simple as this one. No complication in it. So the stress can be used for either negative or for positive purposes. Unfortunately, we, the people of Pakistan, we are using it for the negative purposes. Mean we remain unhappy, we remain unproductive. We become even more unproductive because we are crippled, because we cripple ourselves because of this mental stress. It is something crippling, troublesome. To be true, this stress is neither something which should be necessarily used for the destruction, nor something which should necessarily be used for the construction. If we mix the negativity, the negative thinking with it, it becomes something lethal, destructive. And we are getting hurt by it actually. We are getting troubled by it actually. That is why we are so unhappy and troubled by this mental stress. The people who have developed a lot, we take them as an icon. We look upon them enviously. They people were not free of mental stress. Rather, their mental stress became a reason, a cause behind their development. Their mental stress became a reason, behind their development, behind their progress and prosperity. Stress provides energy which can be used either positively or negatively, either constructively or destructively. We are the one who thinks negative. Most of us. And to be true, this is the reason so much of the stress is generated. It is the negative thinking which works like adding fuel to fire. Negative thinking, if there is a little bit of wrong happen to us, either it advertently or inadvertently by someone else, we start feeling stress. And now, if at all we have allowed and permitted ourselves to think negatively as we want to, imagine it is like adding fuel to fire. It is like stoking the fire. And we do that. We do that. We ourselves are the victim of it. Our loved ones are the victims of it. The people who are attached and connected with us, they are negatively affected by it. And then our opponents too. So it is all sort of destruction going on here and there, circling around. The destruction is circling around us. That is so. We can get a lot of positive energy out of this mental stress. It does provide energy actually. It activates us, it motivates us, it stirs us, it activates us. If now we succeed in mixing the positivity, the positive thinking in it, let me tell you, it will become something very, very useful, and it will be like generating electricity, means energy, through garbage. A kind of mental stressor accompanied and governed and controlled by the positive thinking will take us towards the heights. It will improve us and will improve our performance a lot. Because now we want to reduce and minimize our vulnerability. For what purposes it is going to be used? It is going to be used to minimize our vulnerability, to make us strong, inconquerable. That is how informidable. Let's use the mental stress for positive purpose, for constructive purpose, for development, for prosperity, for dignity, for honor, for financial development, for good health. All of these things are possible and quite possible, quite possible. People have done it. Let's take advantage of this idea. Let's take advantage of this idea. Let's use the mental stress for the positive, for the constructive purposes. It is only possible when this mental stress is accompanied by, rather governed by, positive thinking and kept away from the negative thinking. Because the negative thinking is like burning a match, lighting a lighter near the filling station. So that's all. Thank you. Stay blessed forever.